Sorry. Ang init. Hi guys, Dr. Chris here, your online family doctor. Making medicine easy for you to have a healthy life. Sorry, nasa labas ako. Sana hindi siya masyadong noisy and hindi rin siya masyadong muffled yung noise. And nag-rely talaga ako sa ang hang ng kinain ko. Nag-rely talaga ako sa noise cancelling nitong DJI. So, kamusta kayo guys? Today is Monday, August 10. Yeah. Senior Citizen Day. Nanood sila parents sa mall for the showing ng Spider-Man. Pero napanood na namin kasi ni Mrs. yan. So, sila na lang muna. And then si Mrs. naman, pumasok sa clinic. For my end naman, pumasok ako sa hospital because I have an activity. So, meron tayong mental health awareness activity, and at the same time, catching up with some of the skills that are needed, syempre, in facing patients and even employees na are struggling for mental health. Now, I will dig in deep dun sa discussion about mental health later on. Gagawa ko ng separate na video about that. Pero may mga news kasi ngayon, no? This is something interesting. Though it's not technically health related, pero health related pa rin siya siguro kasi it involves the alter ego of the president na syempre in charge of the healthcare of the country, diba? Talking about the Secretary of Health. Right now, may news kanina na we have a new Secretary of Health. So, if we would recall, meron tayong previous na news that the former Secretary of Health, Ted Herbosa, resigned. Not just, for health reasons kasi. In less than 1 month pa lang yun, no? So, I think nandun ako sa no? nasa Taiwan or sa ibang lugar. Nung nalaman kong nag-resign na si Secretary Ted. And pumasok din yun, actually, it's health-related issues, more on. He recently had a knee replacement surgery, I think, or basta surgery, orthopedic surgery that involves the knees. Kaya may nakita akong t-shirt niya na, ano yun? New knees ata, sabi mo, bagong tuhod of new knees. Pero get well soon, Secretary. Yes, right now, nung pumalit kay Herbosa was the previous chairman of the Philippine Orthopedic Center. I'm not quite sure kung totoo. Pero kung naman ginatayo yung dati niyang posisyon. Previous head of the Philippine Orthopedic Center. So Dr. Briggs. However, yun nga, I think today, ang binanggit naman is due to health concerns as well. Now, I think if it's really health concerns, best wishes for the former secretary, prioritize your health. If it's really the concern that needs attention, we all need our medical leave, and we need all the help that we can have, lalo na ngayon sa Department of Health. Okay, and then congratulations also to the new Secretary of Health. I think yes, the president, the former CEO and president of PhilHealth na nag-pioneer, I think siya na nag-push through nun After PhilHealth Consulta, we had your PhilHealth Yakap and Gamot. Okay, so that is Secretary of Health, Edwin Mercado. Okay. Actually, nag-did a background with the new Secretary of Health. Medyo para naman. He's a graduate of UP College of Medicine. But other than that, there are other, I think, may pa siyang healthcare company. Healthway ata, yung related. Okay. With Sec Mercado. And I do hope our healthcare in the country is in good hands. No? Kung naman, we're hopeful pa rin. at saka matanggal yung agap-agap. Remember, may mga things na kailangan tayong mahabol, especially in the country. Um, Underfunding of PhilHealth, that's one. The much needed boost of implementation of universal healthcare is also another. Sana naman mabigyan ng pansin yon. And syempre, um, other key issues recently, I think the freeze of the medications for tuberculosis. Sana ma-push through pa rin, and there are no other issues within that type of news. Siyempre, kailangan kasi ng Pilipino, or especially Filipinos that are diagnosed with tuberculosis, need much needed medications. Okay? And yun lang naman, I think that's one of the biggest news right now in the healthcare industry. We have a new Secretary of Health. In my perspective kasi, kapag ganito, sudden shift of within a month lang of a new secretary or a new leader, it brings, well, una, refreshing, nagkakaroon ka ng restart, but we have to hear also kung ano yung mga future plans ng new Secretary of Health. Kasi doon tayo magkakaroon ng better anchor with regards to the projects of the Department of Health. And I do believe naman, Department of Health is steering us to the right path naman in improving our healthcare. Sana mas mag-increase pa yung capabilities natin to provide healthcare with every Filipino. Lalo na kung, let's say, mas mapapa-increase natin ang benefits and yung makukuhang claims per cases na nagagamit ng mga pasyente, expanding a lot of treatments including cancer treatment, ganun. Yun yung mga hinahanap natin. And yun, hopefully nakikita naman ni now Secretary Edwin Mercado, kasi if you look at PhilHealth, nagkaroon naman ng positive feedback during his time, okay, as CEO of PhilHealth. And yung gamot app has been pushed na gamot, okay. Sana madagdagan din yung mga additional na medications naman moving forward. Okay. Yun lang naman. Though that's one of the things na kailangan natin ma-look forward. May siguro I'll make a video about everything else. And dito ako sa labas kasi walang kuryente sa bahay. At hinihintay ko pa si Mrs. Okay. See you. Bye.